Special Edition: How to Repair Cracks. Although it looks simple, it is not easy for beginners to repair cracks. Place ethanol on the palette to wash the brush first and wipe the oil off well with tissue before using the brush. Break apart if the crack is fragile enough, and refer to the pre-treatment for broken pieces. The following steps describe how to treat shallow and/or small cracks that cannot be broken apart. Place raw urushi on the palette. Apply it on both sides of cracks using a brush. A rough surface of the item can easily absorb stains. Be aware to stay in the line of the cracks when you apply urushi. Pull the cracks apart so that urushi soaks between the cracks. After 30 minutes, wipe off the excess raw urushi on the cracks. Avoid spreading the urushi in the surrounding area. Apply masking tape to close the cracks tightly. Leave the item in the urushi box for at least 1 week. Apply raw urushi on the cracks, wipe it off from the plate, and leave the item in the urushi box, as stated in Step 1 pre-treatment. Repeat this process as needed. When the raw urushi no longer soaks into the crack is already coated to prevent water, so basically it's done. You can finish repairing now, but if you like to finish with gold powder, follow the next steps. How to finish repairing cracks. Cut the sandpaper into approximately 2 cm square. Fold the sandpaper and scrape the surface of the cracks with the corner of the sandpaper. After this, follow step 3 to 5 to finish. It is not included in our Tsugu kit, but if you want to perfect repairing cracks, you can use an electric router with a diamond-coated grinding bit to scrape into the cracks deeply. After scraping the glaze enough, follow step 3 to 5. Urushi and gold powder stay longer with this way. How to care for a repaired item. After kintsugi, the item should be treated with the same care as lacquerware. Please wash the repaired part gently and avoid scrubbing it. Do not place item in a microwave, in dishwasher, in an oven, or over an open fire. This kintsugi tutorial video is produced by Tokyo Kintsugi Workshop, Tsugu Tsugu. Japanese best-selling Kintsugi kit, TSUGUKIT, is now on sale. Online Kintsugi workshop is now open. We also have online traditional kintsugi service, Tsugu Tsugu, to order artisanal kintsugi repairs in Japan. We create new value and experience by connecting broken items, people, and traditions through kintsugi. Please press like if this video was helpful for you, and follow our channel.